if you're just getting started in e-commerce, I mean, the book is called E-Commerce Evolved, right? So it kind of has more of a advanced sounding title, but don't let that detract you from what's in here. The very first thing I start off in this book are the 12 principles of e-commerce, okay? This is something that I guarantee you the established businesses are probably violating probably half or more of these principles. But if you're a new business just getting started, and you can this is a sub-chapter. You can apply and understand these principles as you go forward to build your business. You'll have less struggles, your business will operate smoother, and you'll be better positioned for your business to grow at the right kind of rate. That's just the first pre-chapter, okay? Now, as you're building your business, there's a lot of advanced tactics in here, there's a lot of advanced strategies and a lot of advanced topics, but they're all built in a structured way that if you just go through this book in sequence, you will only be, you'll read about them, but you're not going to apply them until you're ready for them, okay? Even if you're just beginning, even if you've never set up your store, and if you haven't set up your store, don't. Because in chapter 1, I'm going to tell you why you don't even need a store, okay? And that's the biggest fundamental shift for e-commerce businesses, is that most e-commerce businesses, even the established ones, don't need a store. They'd be much better suited without one, which is kind of counterintuitive, right? But that's something you'll learn in here. So if you're thinking about getting into e-commerce or you're getting started, this is going to set you on the right path before you do it. So it's going to shortcut that learning curve and prevent you from making a lot of the mistakes that almost all e-commerce businesses make.